What if one small habit every morning changed your entire body in just 30 days? I decided to drink fresh ginger juice every single morning. No skipping, no excuses. Just 1 inch of fresh ginger, juiced and taken on an empty stomach. Day 1, honestly, it burns a little, but something about it feels alive. By day 5, my bloating was almost completely gone. My stomach felt lighter than it had in years. Week 2, I stopped needing 2 cups of coffee. The energy was just there. People started asking me what skincare I was using. The answer? Ginger juice. Everyone around me caught a cold that week. I didn't get sick once. The inflammation in my joints that I ignored for years, quietly fading away. My brain fog lifted around day 12. I was sharper, more focused, more present. I didn't change my diet, but my clothes started fitting differently by week 3. It became the one ritual I actually looked forward to every morning.
Ginger contains gingerol, a compound studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the body.
I've tried beet, celery, and cucumber, but ginger hit different. Day 21. I felt like I was finally living in my body instead of just carrying it around. Around day 18, I almost quit. The taste gets old. But I pushed through, and I'm so glad I did. Day 30. Better digestion, clearer skin, more energy, less inflammation. I was not the same person who started this. I dare you to try this for 30 days. Just 30 days. And come back and tell me what changed. If you loved this, check out my beet, celery, and cucumber videos too. Subscribe for a new juice challenge every week.